Oh, just
Okay, Hunter. Oh fuck. Don't die, don't die.
shot from where?
Hunter. Old Hunter.
Oh, you don't see his location.
Like straight in front of us.
Just drive straight. Let me reload.
Where is it? Yeah. Trying to see where he is.
Probably on the hill. Covering somewhere.
Yeah, I'm not fucking stopping for that shit. Fuck you.
Well, I got that on record, so I'm just gonna say cop chasing version 2.
That was a shit pilot. What the fuck did he do?
I think he turned around 90 degrees and then that's how he got.
I don't know if he saw us or something, but he died, man.
Yeah, he probably tried to turn around and then just killed everyone because I would have opened fire on the heli then.
Maybe they put down spike strips. Oh, hello there.
Hello. Get out of the car, sir. Get out of the car.
Wrong shot.
Get out of the car. Put your hands up, sir. Put your hands up. My friend's gonna take your comms here now.
Okay, I'm gonna take your comms.
I'm a peach farmer.
I don't give a shit. You can't contact anyone.
No, I don't. I'm not contacting anyone.
Are you?
I'm
Can you
just
zip tie
going to
him?
the peach fields to do my thing.
Zip type vehicle.
Move away. Shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh, I'm down.
He's in the car. He's driving. He's driving. Can you kill him or? He's driving, man.
No, no.
Microphone muted. Microphone.
Can you kill the guy in the off-road, man? Kill the guy in the off-road.
I'm on my way.
Wait, am I just desyncing now?
I took this guy's
Where the fuck did I just desync to?
I took this guy's car, man.
Yeah, but I kind of desynced all the way in middle of fucking nowhere.
Wait, aren't you with him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
On my way. Did he crash?
No, he's at the diving shop now. And the car is...
Hello.
Let me repair it right now. Nice one.
Yeah, I kind of took his car.